Some say it burns fat, curbs cravings, and boosts metabolism. Sounds like a miracle in a bottle, right? But hold on. Before you jump on the latest trend, let's dive into the facts. What does science actually say? Does drinking apple cider vinegar actually help you shed those extra pounds? Or are we all just chasing another wellness myth? Hey, everyone. In today's video, we're getting to the bottom of the apple cider vinegar craze. Does it actually help you lose weight, or is it just another overhyped trend? Stick around, because we're going to break down the real science, the potential benefits, and the risks you need to know about before you make ACV a part of your daily routine. Let's find out together. Grab your bottle of apple cider vinegar, and let's get into it. What is apple cider vinegar? Apple cider vinegar is made through a two-step fermentation process. First, crushed apples are fermented into alcohol, and then the alcohol is further fermented into acetic acid, the key compound that gives vinegar its tangy taste. This acetic acid, along with other trace compounds, is thought to be responsible for the health benefits attributed to apple cider vinegar. While it has a long history of use for everything from food preservation to home remedies, its role in weight loss is still being debated by scientists. The science behind ACV and weight loss. When it comes to weight loss, many people turn to apple cider vinegar hoping for dramatic results. However, while some studies suggest it may have a mild effect, there's no conclusive evidence that drinking ACV will lead to significant, sustainable weight loss. Research on animals, such as rats and mice, has shown that acetic acid can reduce fat accumulation and improve metabolism. In one study, mice given acetic acid tended to gain less body fat compared to those who didn't consume it. However, these results haven't been replicated in human studies, so it's hard to say whether the same effects would occur in people. One of the most well-known studies involving human participants was conducted in 2009 and included 175 individuals. They consumed 1 or 2 tablespoons of vinegar each day for 3 months. Those who consumed vinegar lost between 2 to 4 pounds, which was a modest but noteworthy result. This weight loss, however, wasn't drastic, and the study also found no significant changes in participants' long-term health markers, like cholesterol or blood pressure. Another study in 2018 involved 39 overweight individuals who followed a calorie-restricted diet, with or without apple cider vinegar, for 12 weeks. Both groups lost weight, but the group that added vinegar to their diet lost slightly more. While these results are interesting, it's important to remember that the study was small, and the effects may not be the same for everyone. Most studies in this area are short-term and involve small sample sizes, so more extensive research is needed to understand the true impact of ACV on weight loss. Does timing matter? A popular claim in the wellness community is that drinking apple cider vinegar in the morning helps boost metabolism, leading to more significant weight loss. However, there is no scientific evidence to support the idea that consuming ACV at a specific time of day makes a difference. While it's true that drinking apple cider vinegar may have some health benefits, such as reducing post-meal blood sugar spikes, there's no reason to believe that consuming it in the morning is any more effective than at any other time of day. The key to weight loss is consistency in overall diet and lifestyle, not the timing of individual foods or beverages. Other potential health benefits of apple cider vinegar. While apple cider vinegar's role in weight loss may be overstated, it does offer some other potential health benefits. Blood sugar control. One of the most widely recognized benefits of apple cider vinegar is its ability to help regulate blood sugar levels. Some studies have shown that vinegar can reduce blood sugar spikes after meals, which is especially beneficial for people with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. A 2004 study found that vinegar helped improve insulin sensitivity in people with insulin resistance, and a 2007 study showed that consuming vinegar before meals could reduce post-meal blood sugar levels. Digestive health. Apple cider vinegar is also believed to support digestion. Some people report feeling less bloated and more regular after consuming vinegar, likely because it contains probiotics, from the fermentation process that may help promote gut health. However, it's important to note that these effects are largely anecdotal and haven't been extensively studied in clinical settings. Heart health. Some research suggests that apple cider vinegar may have a positive effect on heart health. In animal studies, vinegar has been shown to lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and improve heart function. While promising, these results have not been confirmed in large human trials, so more research is needed to determine whether ACV could have a similar impact on human heart health. Antimicrobial properties. Apple cider vinegar is known for its antimicrobial properties. A study from 2018 found that ACV was as effective as sodium hypochlorite, a common disinfectant, at killing certain bacteria. This has led some to use it as a natural cleaner or remedy for minor skin infections, though its use for these purposes should be approached with caution. The risks of overdoing it. While apple cider vinegar can be a healthy addition to your diet in moderation, there are some risks to consider if consumed in excess. Tooth enamel erosion. ACV's high acidity can erode tooth enamel, especially if consumed undiluted. To avoid this, it's best to dilute vinegar with water or consume it as part of a salad dressing, rather than drinking it straight. Digestive issues. Drinking large amounts of apple cider vinegar can irritate the digestive tract, leading to symptoms like nausea, indigestion, and heartburn. Some people may also experience stomach discomfort, especially if they have acid reflux or a sensitive stomach. Low potassium levels. ACV has been reported to lower potassium levels in the body, which can be problematic for people who already have low potassium or are taking medications that can further reduce potassium levels, such as diuretics. Interaction with medications. Apple cider vinegar can interact with certain medications, including insulin and diuretics. It's important to consult with a healthcare provider before starting an ACV regimen, especially if you're on any medication or have existing health conditions. Should you try the apple cider vinegar diet? While apple cider vinegar may offer some health benefits, it's unlikely to be the magic weight loss solution you've been hoping for. The weight loss effects are generally small and short-term, and there's no solid evidence to suggest that ACV can help you lose significant weight on its own. If you enjoy the taste and want to incorporate apple cider vinegar into your routine for its potential health benefits, there's no harm in doing so. Just remember that it should be part of a larger, balanced approach to health. Weight loss, in particular, is most effective when it's paired with a healthy, sustainable diet and regular exercise. Rather than relying on a single ingredient like apple cider vinegar, focus on a well-rounded approach that includes plenty of whole foods, regular physical activity, and good sleep habits. Ultimately, ACV can be a helpful addition to your lifestyle, but it's not a substitute for the foundational habits that contribute to long-term health and well-being. If you're looking for lasting results, it's best to approach weight loss with patience, consistency, and a holistic mindset. So, does apple cider vinegar really help with weight loss? The truth is, it might have some benefits, but it's not a magic solution. For lasting results, focus on a balanced lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more health tips. Got questions or your own ACV experience? Drop a comment below. See you next time.